Shraddha. You can see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
Few questions we have already done, right? Now we will try some other patterns, okay, based on the percentage. So write a question. In a library, in a library, 30% of the books are in Hindi. 30% of the books are in Hindi. 30% of the books are in Hindi, comma, 40% of the remaining 40% of the remaining 40% of the remaining are in French, are in French, okay, are in French, and 60% of the remaining and 60% of the remaining are in Spanish, are in Spanish, full stop, are in Spanish. The remaining 8,400, the remaining 8,400 books, the remaining 8,400 books, the remaining 8,400 books are in English language, are in English language. What is the total number of books in library? What is the total number of books in library? Okay. In a library, 30% of the books are in Hindi, 40% of the remaining are in French, and 60% of the remaining are in Spanish. The remaining 8,400 books are in English language. What is the total number of books in the library? Okay, let's see here how we will do in this type of question. As here for Hindi, it is 30%, right? So first we will find the fraction. It will be 3 by 10, okay? Similarly for French, okay? For French it is 40%. So what it will be? 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Yes, 2 by 5, okay? And for Spanish it is 60%, right? So 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. It will be 3 by 5. Okay. So let's see here what we will do. Here we will write the total number of books, and here we will write remaining books. Okay. So let's see here for Hindi, as the total number of book is 10, right? As the total number of book is 10. Okay. The 3 we have to subtract it, right? Because it is saying कि 30% of the books, okay, suppose total books is 100, so 30% of the total books, okay, means 100 books, that is 30. Similarly here, if 10 is the total number of books, then 30% will be, we have to subtract, then we will get the remaining one, na, means three are Hindi books. So when we will subtract the 3, we will get the remaining books which are except Hindi. Okay. So 7 are the remaining books. Okay. Except Hindi, because Hindi is 3. Now let's see here. We will do for French. As here 5 is the total book and 2 is French. So remaining, we have to find the remaining. So here it will be 3. Again Spanish 5 total, and the 3 is Spanish, so total number will be, remaining book will be 2. Okay, now we have to multiply it. Now we have to multiply it. Okay, so 5 5s are 25 into 10, 250, and here 7,
42.
yeah, it will be, yeah, 42. Okay, 21 and 2. Okay, 42. Is it clear? So
Yeah.
42 is the remaining book, right? 42 is the remaining book. And read that line, the remaining 8400 books are in English. Okay, it's mean in a library 30% Hindi, 40% French, 60% Spanish. After this, the remaining books are in English, and the value of the remaining books, the number of remaining book is 8400. Okay, so here it is, the remaining book is 42. It's mean the English books are total 42, and its value is given 8400. How many times? 200 times, right?
Yeah.
We have to find the total number of books in the library. It's mean whose value we have to find? We have to find the value of
250.
250. Very good, dear. So here 250 into 200, what it will be? 50,000, right? Is it clear or any doubt?
Yes. No, sir.
Yes, tell me. So this will be the answer. Okay, this will be the answer. Is it clear now? Did you got it now how you will solve this type of questions?
Yeah.
Okay, then please note down it. Okay, write the next question. Due to an increase of due to an increase of 50% in the price of egg, 50% in the price of egg, due to an increase of 50%, due to an increase of 50% in the price of egg, 4 eggs less are available. 4 eggs less are available for rupees 24. For rupees 24. For rupees 24. Full stop. The percent rate of egg per dozen is, the percent rate of egg per dozen is, okay. It says that due to an increase of 50% in the price of egg, 4 eggs less are available for rupees 24. The percent rate of egg per dozen is, okay. So let's see here how we will do it. Required require more money when the price is is increased by 50%. Okay, so here it will be 50% of 24, it is 12, right? So here present price will be 12 by 4, 4 eggs are less, right? It's mean 3 rupees per egg. Okay, so now rate per dozen will be 3 into 12, right? Is it clear? it's not it's not talking about the one dozen egg. Okay, sorry, one carrot egg. It's talking about one dozen, okay, or per dozen. So in one dozen it's total 12, right? So that's why here we will
Yeah.
multiply it by 12. Okay, so it will be 36 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, is there any doubt?
Sir, how is it 12 by 4?
12 by 4. Okay. Listen. Understand here. Due to an increase of 50% in price, okay, of 4 egg, lays are available for rupees 24. Okay. So, suppose the price was, it was initially priced 24, okay? And when the increase of 50% on 24 rupees, we are getting 4 eggs less, okay? So we have to find the 50% of 24, that is 12, right? And for 12, on the increment of 12, we are getting 4 eggs less, okay? It's mean per egg price will be increased by 3, right? It is increased by 3, na? That's why we are getting 4 less. The 12 is the
Yeah.
increased price, and on 12 we are getting 4 less egg. So 12 divided by 4 means 3 rupees per egg. Okay, that's increased. So rate of per dozen will become 3 into 12, that will be 36. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt?
No, sir.
Then please note down it. So any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Then try a question. A man had a certain amount with him. A man had a certain amount with him. A man had a certain amount with him, full stop. He spent 30% of that. He spent 30% of that to buy an article. To buy an article. 30% of that to buy an article. And 10% of remaining. And 10% of remaining on transport. And 10% of remaining on transport. Okay. Then he donate rupees 60. Then he donate rupees 60, full stop. Then he donate rupees 60, full stop. If he is left with, if he is left with 1200, if he is left with 1200, if he is left with 1200, full stop, the amount he spent on transport is, the amount he spent on transport is. This question will be solved in the same way as we solved the first question, today's first question, the book.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
The amount he spent on transport.
Yeah, the amount he spent on transport is question mark. Okay. So first try this question by yourself. After that I will explain it. Okay, dear. Let's see here how we will do it. Okay. See, 30% to buy article,
Sir,
right?
will it be 200?
What?
Will it be 200?
Answer?
Yeah.
No, dear. Okay, no problem. Let's see here. 30% to buy article. Okay. So the fraction value will be 30 by 100. It will be 3 by 10, right? And after that he
Yeah.
said, ki, and the 10% of the remaining. See here, the word remaining has been used, right? So it's mean we have to subtract the fraction numerator, right, to get the remaining. Okay, but before that we will find the other fraction also, 10% in transport. Okay, is it clear? So 10 by 100 it will be 1 by 10. Okay, now let's see here how we will do it. Here is the total and here is the remaining. Okay, so before as it was 10, right, it was 10. Okay, so total was 10. He spent 30% by article. Okay, to, oh sorry, here buy by, to buy article. Okay, is it clear? It's mean he spent 3 among 10 to buy the article. Okay, so minus 3 remaining will be 7. Okay, now again 10% in transports. It's mean 10 he spent minus 1, got 9. Okay, let's see here, 10 into 10 100 and here it's 63. Okay,
63.
is it said that he donates 60 rupees. Okay, if he is left with 1200, the amount he spent on transport, here it is not asking about the final amount, okay, or the remaining amount. When it will ask about the remaining amount, then at that time we find minus 60. Okay, do the subtract 60 in the resultant one.
I added 60.
Okay, but let's see here how we will do it. As here it is saying ki he left with the amount 1200 and here he left with 63 unit, right? It's mean the value of 63 is given, that is 1200. Okay, just wait a minute, it's an call, just wait a minute. So as I told you here it is given 1200, right? It left with 1200, right? And here we discussed only about article and transport, right? There is no discussion about the donation. Okay, and accepting donation he left with 63. Okay, it's mean this 63 consists both amount, the donation amount or the remaining amount also. Okay,
Oh,
so here we will add 60. Okay, so it will be,
I did.
oh, okay, okay, got it. So it will be 1260, okay, or 1260. Now the value of 63 is 12,000, sorry, 1260. It is 20 times, right? 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, okay? Here it is asking about the amount he spent on transport, right? So as you can see, the remaining amount after buying article, that is 7, right, that is 7 na. So here we just multiply the 7 by 20 and we will get the answer. Okay, this is the one method, or if you want to do the another method also, yes,
But I didn't understand that 7 part.
this is the remaining part na, this is the remaining part. Okay, so that's why
But 9 is also remaining.
9 is the remaining of the after is spending on transport. 9 is remaining for after spending on transport now. Okay, or let's see the another method. Okay, how you will do it, till here you have to do it. Okay, after this you can do one thing, find the initial amount with the help of 100. Okay, as here initial it was 100 units, so here we will multiply by 2, 20, so it will be 2000. It's mean he in the initial he was 2000 rupees. Okay, now 2000. Okay, of this 2000 he spent 30% on the article, right? It's mean he left with 70%, right? This value will be the 70% or the remaining amount after spending on article, and on this remaining amount he spent 10% of this remaining amount on transport. So we will find the 10% of this amount. 10 by 100. That's all. Now solve it. Two zeros cancel. Two zeros here. Okay. Now 2 7 ja 14 and 1 0. Okay. So this will be the answer. This one you got it or not? Tell me. This one you got it or not?
Yes,
Or is there any doubt? If there is any doubt, then please tell me, Shraddha.
I got it.
Okay. So you can do by any method, either by this method or by this method also. Okay. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So please note down it. Okay. And after this, we will continue with the next one. Okay. Now write a new type question. If the total monthly income of 12 persons, if the total monthly income of 12 persons,
Of 12 persons.
yes, of 12 persons, of 12 persons is rupees 72,000, is rupees 72,000. Okay, this is the total monthly income of 12 persons. Okay, comma, and the income of one of them, and the income of one of them is 120%,
The
is
income of
one of them, one of them, if the income of one of them
is
is 120% of, is 120%, 120% of the average income, of the average income, of the average income, comma, then his income is, then his income is. It's too easy, just try it.
it.
7200, very good dear. So how you solved it?
Our average income is 72,000 by 12, which
Hmm,
is
very good.
6,000.
Yes.
120 by 100 into 6,000.
Yeah, we can do it in two method. Okay, for 12% the total income is 72,000, right? So average will be 72,000 divided by 12, right? It will be 6,000, right? This is the average income, and here it is saying ki income of that person is 120% of the average income. So now we have to find the 120% of 6,000. Okay, that's all. Is it clear? 12 6 is 72 and 2 zeros. This is the one method. Now let's see the another method. Okay, how you will do it? The another method. See, average income. Okay, as here, average income will be 72,000 divided by 12. This is the average income, and we have to find the 120% of this one, this unit. So we can directly do it. Okay, instead of solving this one, we can directly find the 120% of this one. Okay, so here you will save the time. So 10, so it will be 7200. That's all. Is it clear? So you want to note down this
Yes.
method, the second, you can note down it.
sir.
Okay. Write the next question. I think this one you can also do by yourself. If the monthly salary of an employee, if the monthly salary of an employee is increased by 2 whole 2 by 3%, 2 whole 2 by 3%, he gets 72 rupees more. He gets 72 rupees more. Okay? He gets 72 rupees more. Full stop. His monthly salary is. Let's try this question. Yes. So how you did it?
Sir, so 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by 3. So 8 by 3% of x is 72.
8 by 3 into 100. 8 by 300, right? Or you can also cut it directly. Okay. So when you will solve it, it will be 2 by 75, right? Okay. So 75 is the original value. It's mean you can say, or we can say that ki 75 is the initial value. 2 is the increased value. Okay. So here the value of 2, the value of 2 has been given, that is 72, right? As it is 36 times. We have to find the monthly income. It's mean we have to find the value of 75. Okay. So that will be 2700. Is it clear? If it will ask about the new salary, then what we will do? 75 is the original. Add the 2, 77 will be the new value. Okay. You can see the 2 is the increased value. Okay. Is it clear now? Or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Okay.
No, no, sir.
Okay, then note down a next question. Note down a next question. A man spend a man spend a man spend 75% of his income 75% of his income 75% of his income full stop. His income increased by 20%. His income increased by 20%, and he increased his expenditure by 6 whole 2 by 3%. By 6 whole 2 by 3%. By 6 whole 2 by 3%. Full stop. His saving will then be increased by his saving will then be increased by question mark. Please try this one. A man spends 75% of his income. Full stop. His income increased by 20%, and he increased his expenditure by 6 whole 2 by 3%. full stop. His savings will then be increased by question mark. Let's try this one. What's the
50%.
50 or 60? Hmm?
It's above 50.
No. Let's check again. Let's see here, dear, how we will do it. See, as we know that since income is equal to saving plus expenditure, right? Saving plus expenditure, okay? Is it clear? Yes, tell me. Income is equal to saving plus expenditure, okay? So as here it is saying 70%, a man spends 75% of his income, okay? So 75% of his income means 3 by 4, okay?
Yeah,
It's mean on 4 he spends 3 like this, we can say that, okay?
yeah,
Or here we can say, so I equal to saving plus expenditure. If I is 100, let I is 100, then saving will be 25 and expenditure will be 75, okay? His income increased by 20%, okay? His income increased by 20%, okay? It is increased by 20%. It's mean it will become 120, the new income, okay? The new income is
yeah.
120, okay? Or any doubt? Tell me. Yes, Radha. Hello, you are on mute.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So as here it is saying income increased by 20%. It's mean new income will be 120, and as here it is saying कि he increased his expenditure by 6.6 whole 2 by 3. Okay. So plus 6 whole 2 by 3%, okay, that is 5. 75 6 whole 2 by 3% of 75 is 5. It's mean this value will become 80, okay, this value will become 80, right? So as we know that the income is saving plus expenditure, we got save income, that is 120, and in that expenditure is 80. So the value of saving is, now he is saving 40 rupees, right? Is it clear? We have to find his saving will then increased by. Now see the increment in saving, the increment in saving, it is,
Yeah,
it is 15, right? It is
yeah.
15 na. You can also write these things step by step, okay? Just I am here skipping the steps to explain the concept only, okay? You can do this one by yourself.
Sir, 6 2 by 3, how it became 5?
6 whole 2 by 3% of 75. Here I am doing. Means it is like this, 75 into 6 whole 2 by 3%. Means 2 by 3 100, okay? So here it is 15. 15 is the increment, saving has been increased by 15 rupees, okay, or 15 unit. We have to find the percentage. So that is 15. Previously it was 25. Multiply by 100. You will get 60% of increment. Okay. Is it clear?
Okay.
or any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. So when you will note down it in your copy, please note down step by step, so that when you will do revision in future, you will not go face the same problem or the confusion which you got here. Okay, in 6 whole 2 by 3, how it will be 5. So you have to show in the any corner, any right corner, just show it 75 into 6 whole 2 by 3. Solve one or two steps and then it will be 5. And then write this one by giving the arrow 80. Okay. And for saving you can also write in any corner ki as increment equal to saving is 120 minus 80 equal to 40. Then write increment equal to 40 minus 25 equal to 15. So required percentage will be, and then do this one. Okay, is it clear
Yes, sir.
or any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.